I believe almost 70% of your learning comes from actual experience. I love the lab because it's peaceful, it's quiet, and I like being a little lab rat sometimes. All of the people surrounding me at UNL have encouraged me and believe in me, even when I don't believe in myself. Here, we're trying to extract hops viruses for a grad student named Christina Alas. It's very interesting how you can go from not being able to view DNA to all of a sudden you're able to view DNA. Through this experience, I have learned the most you possibly could about IDing plant pathology, and that was the whole goal of going and introducing myself to that lab in the first place, was to get a full broad spectrum look at plant pathology before I made the full decision that I was going to switch over to that career path. I think the one thing that I love most about the University of Nebraska-Lincoln is genuinely the people. There have been many people along the way who have pushed me in a good way and have inspired me to continue even when I feel like I don't trust myself. They put their trust in me.